A guy walks into a bar and orders 12 shots. Before the bartender even returns with the check, the man has slammed back half of them and shows no signs of slowing down. As the guy finishes his final shot, the bartender asks, "Why are you drinking so fast?" The guy wipes his mouth and replies, "You would be drinking fast too if you had what I had." The bartender asks, "What do you have?" The guy says, 75 cents, and runs out the door. Okay, so that isn't the most decadent situation to end up in. Anyway, speaking of bars, imagine creating your own perfect cocktail experience at home. Picture this, you, the star mixologist, shaking, stirring, and serving with a Japanese-style cocktail bar kit. It's not just about the drinks, it's about the experience, the drama, the flair, and the fun. And remember, no need to worry about beans stalking here. With this cocktail kit from Decadent Store, you'll be mixing up a storm in no time. Let's dive into what this magical box of fun contains. First up, we have the shaker, the heart of the kit, where all your cocktail dreams come true. Ever wanted to play Mixologist at your own party? This is your chance. Next, we have the ice tongs, because let's face it, your fingers are not ice-friendly. They're perfect for plucking ice cubes from the bucket and dropping them into your glass without getting your hands chilly. Then comes the straw spoon, your multitasking hero. Sip, stir, repeat, all with one tool. Isn't that just convenient? And then there's the inverted wine spout, because spillage is not an option. Pour like a pro and keep your tablecloth stain-free. Enter the 25 brush, your cleanliness knight in shining armor. It keeps your straws squeaky clean because hygiene is always in style. Onto the bar spoon, your stirrer of wonders. It's perfect for blending in all those flavors together. Remember, a well-mixed cocktail is a well-enjoyed cocktail. And let's not forget the elbow straw, because sipping should be stylish. It adds an extra touch of elegance to every drink. The broken popsicle, it's your icebreaker, literally. No more wrestling with ice trays. Double vector cup, because 2 is always better than 1. Mix and measure with precision, your guests will be impressed. The seahorse knife, because even the smallest details matter. It's perfect for slicing and garnishing. And lastly, the ice filter, because no one likes a crunchy cocktail. It's all about smooth sips here. This kit is not just a set of tools. It's your ticket to becoming a cocktail maestro. Now that you've seen the magic, it's time to make it yours. Imagine the doors this Japanese-style cocktail bar kit can open for you. Every shaker, spoon, and seahorse knife crafted with precision, adding a touch of sophistication to your cocktail game. Each ice tong, straw spoon, and inverted wine spout designed to bring out the mixologist in you. Picture this, your parties brimming with laughter, clinking glasses, and the unforgettable taste of your masterfully crafted cocktails. Your guests marveling at your skills as you effortlessly use the double vector cup, broken popsicle, or the 25 brush. This isn't just a cocktail kit. It's your ticket to unforgettable evenings and the envy of your friends. And here's a little secret. The key to a perfect cocktail isn't just the ingredients. It's the tools you use. So don't wait. Unleash your inner mixologist and make your parties unforgettable. Head over to Decadent Store and get your Japanese-style cocktail bar kit now. Remember, a good cocktail is the life of every party.